What's going on YouTube? It's Chris right here with Combo Guys, and today I'm going to show you the best and most goated detailing accessories that you need in your arsenal here in the big 2026. Let's get it! Starting first with our microfiber applicator, this is going to be useful for applying different products on different surfaces. Whether you're applying ceramic onto your paint, you're applying tire shine onto your wheels, or even trim shine onto your trim. You could even use this for leather conditioner to apply onto your leather seats. Whatever product you are applying, this is going to allow you to apply evenly on any surface, and it's just something that you need on an everyday basis when detailing. And second, we have our AllSwipe microfiber towels. Now these feel really premium in the hand and they do have silk edges. This is especially useful for when you're using it on exterior surfaces. You don't want to be scratching up any type of paint, metal, anything that's prone to scratching. This really does help, and they also feel very premium in the hand. And these are really cool because we have them in different variety packs, different colors, so that way you could distinguish different towels for different surfaces. Maybe you want to use some towels for exterior, some towels for your interior, or you could even use some for home use. These are always great to have on hand, and they're washable as well. Our third accessory here on the table is our Grubbie Edge pet hairbrush. Now, if you're like me and you have a dog and you're always carrying your dog wherever you go, and you happen to have a lot of dog hair in your car, you know how much of a pain and how difficult it is to really get that hair out of your carpet, out of your seats, any fabric surfaces in your car. The Grubbie Edge pet hairbrush has three different sides. The long dual micro grip edge, perfect for larger surfaces, the shorter dual grip edge, perfect for tighter surfaces, and the quick sweep edge, perfect for lighter cleanups. All right guys, on to the next accessory, my personal favorite, our big mouth foam cannon. Now, if you're a detailer and you're using a 2-bucket method, that's cool and all, but me personally, I like to foam up my car the right way using our big mouth foam cannon, because something like this only takes 30 ounces of water and about 1 to 2 ounces of your favorite soap. In this case, we're using our wash and wax. Look how cool that actually looks in the foam cannon, guys. Now, when you're actually using something like this, it provides a thicker coating of lubrication between the wash mitt and the paint. That way, when you're washing it, you're not creating any scratches or anything, and it makes washing a lot quicker, a lot more fun. Now, I know I said these are gonna be the top 5 products, but we do have one bonus item. It's gonna be our snubby pressure washer gun. Using the snubby in the big mouth is gonna allow you to quickly connect it and foam with ease. It's a lot easier on the wrist compared to using a longer gun, where the weight distribution is not quite there. Our Nifty brush works really good for different surfaces. You could use this to scrub your tires, or you could even use it to scrub your fabrics. In a situation where I have dirty stains, whether it's on my fabric seats or my carpet in my car, I like to use our Nifty brush paired up with our fabric clean. Really allows me to just agitate the stain. It's a lot better than just using a microfiber towel. And if you even wanted to, you can pair it up with our Total Extract Tire Rubber Cleaner, and this is gonna be perfect for scrubbing those wheels. All right guys, now to summarize all the different accessories that we went over today, we do have our microfiber applicator, perfect for applying any type of dressings or even coatings onto your paint. We have our AllSwipe microfiber towels, perfect for wiping any surface with its silk edges, not scratching anything. We have our Grubbie Edge hairbrush for all of those hairy messes that are in your car, big mouth foam cannon, and our snubby to give you that aesthetic detail. And our Nifty brush, perfect for scrubbing tires, any fabrics, or really stained surfaces. All right guys, and this has been the best detailing products to have in your arsenal in the big 2026. Now, if you're interested in any of these products, make sure you click on the link down below. And if you want to see more videos like this, make sure you like and subscribe. And until the next time, we'll see you again.